Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the frame and removing damaged mesh. This reveals how the original was attached and whether the frame needs repair. Once you know the attachment method, use a staple remover or pliers to pull staples or cut cords cleanly, and keep removed hardware for reference. Make sure to measure the hoop span and pocket depth accurately so your replacement fits. This first action prevents surprises later and sets a precise template for the new mesh. You now cut and pre-fit the replacement mesh, and here's why precision matters. Excess creates sag, too little strain seams. Once cut with a small seam allowance, drape the mesh over the hoop and align the pocket shape, adjusting edges so tension distributes evenly. If your hoop uses holes, mark and pre-drill. If staples or cords are used, plan spacing at regular intervals. Take time here. A careful test fit avoids redoing the whole job later and ensures smooth casting. You finish by securing the mesh evenly. Anchor the top, then pull opposite points to create balanced tension and work around the hoop. Once fastened, trim any excess and seal raw cut edges to prevent fraying. Heat seal synthetic mesh or use seam tape for natural fibers. Then test the net with weight and brief submersion to check for slippage or gaps. If you notice uneven tension or detachments, loosen nearby anchors, redistribute tension, and resecure. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.